Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Palo Alto Networks Ignite on Tour Sydney Cybersecurity and AI event today for 2025. This event is going to be fantastic and I can't wait to show you guys everything that is going on. Stay tuned because there's lots of exciting things to cover in today's fantastic event. Let's go. Finished with the first few sessions that were all on cybersecurity and AI, and honestly it went fantastic. They were presented by some of Palo Alto Networks senior executives and a lot of other senior executives from different companies. Now it is looking fantastic. It is packed here in today's event. As you can see, people are all around me. They are surrounding me everywhere in today's event. There are professionals everywhere just seeing everything that Palo Alto Networks has to offer today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, very shortly we are going to the next few sessions, and then I have some very interesting interviews lined up for you guys. So stay tuned because today's Ignite on Tour Palo Alto Networks event is going to be a game changer. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with my friend Benjamin. Benjamin, how are we doing today?
I'm very well. How are you doing, Taha?
Very well myself, Benjamin. So Benjamin, could you actually tell my viewers who exactly you are and tell me a little bit about CyberCX?
Absolutely. So as I just mentioned, my name is Benjamin Rouse. I'm an account manager here at CyberCX for up in 5 years now. CyberCX essentially is an end-to-end professional services cybersecurity company that was amalgamated out of 24 boutique cybersecurity firms. I personally came from a company called Scheeler, which mainly focused on your penetration testing, GRC, and managed service. Now I'm very, very thankful to be in an end-to-end provider where we can offer all solutions from the very ever-rapidly changing spectrum of cybersecurity.
Fantastic. And how are you finding the whole Ignite on Tour event today?
The Ignite on Tour event is fantastic. AI is very much a common theme at the moment and very much a trend at the moment, and always interesting to see, but every Ignite always excites as there's always something new.
100%. Well, thank you so much, Benjamin. It was a pleasure.
Anytime. Thank you.
Thank you. And I'm here with my friend Jake. Jake, how are we doing today?
Fantastic, Taha. Thank you very much for asking.
Thank you so much. Well, Jake, could you tell me a little bit about yourself and who exactly Superloop is?
No, absolutely. My name is Jake. I'm in the sales department for Superloop, a large business team. So Superloop is an ISP through and through. But why we're here today is to show the world how easy it is to manage SASE through your internet service provider. One partner, one solution, one dream team.
Yeah. Fantastic. And how are you finding the whole Palo Alto event today?
Big. There's a lot of interest from a lot of organizations, especially from that large department, trying to simplify their security posture, trying to simplify their life. Definitely. And that's where solutions like Palo Alto is really benefiting a large segment of the market. So
definitely.
That's where I'm seeing the most of the interest and a lot of energy coming out today.
Yeah, definitely. Well, thank you so much, Jake. It was a pleasure speaking to you.
Thank you very much, Taha.
Thank you. Hey, everyone. I'm with my friend Nick. Nick, how are we doing today?
Hey, Taha. Nice to meet you. Doing well, man.
Very pleasure to meet you. So, Nick, just tell me a little bit about yourself and who exactly Westcon is.
All right, so I'm Nick. I'm the solutions architect of Palo Alto products here at Westcon. Westcon is a global distribution partner for Palo Alto Networks.
Okay.
So what we do is provide not just procurement in regards to say hardware, software licenses, and all that. We also provide professional services on top of distribution for all our Palo partners.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how are you finding the whole Palo Alto event today?
Tiring. I've been on my feet all day. So no, it's been good. I talked to a lot of different partners, a lot of end users, specifically more end users who have been interested in understanding what Palo is, and also want to know what Westcon does. So yeah, so like I said, Westcon is a global distribution partner for Palo, and we're found in about 40 plus countries all around the world.
Wow.
So we're a major global or a major distribution partner here in Australia.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, Nick. It was a pleasure interviewing you.
Well, that's all it is. Fantastic. Thanks, Taha.
Thank you so much, Nick. So everyone, I'm here with my friend Adam. Adam, how are we doing today?
Good, mate. How are you?
Pretty good myself. So Adam, could you tell me a little bit about yourself and what exactly Superloop does?
Yeah, sure. So I work for Superloop. I head up the new business department for Enterprise and Gov, based out of here in Sydney. Do a lot of different projects across network connectivity through to network security, edge user security, and cyber. Pretty interesting where we sit in the Palo space. For a long time, we were the number one and only MSSP in Asia Pac for Palo, which was cool, across the whole stack. Managing SD-WAN, appliances, the iron devices, which are cool, single pane of glass, through to the Prisma access on the edge. They're managing edge users and owning that whole relationship from sort of network all the way through to the edge, which is pretty cool.
Wow, fantastic. And how are you finding the whole Palo Alto event today?
Oh yeah, it's good. It's very different to last year. A smaller venue, a little bit more intimate, but it's good having a stand here, interacting with people and getting access to a lot of people that you normally struggle to get a hold of because everyone's scared to answer their phones these days, thinking it's a scammer or something. But no, it's good. It's good, man.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Adam. It was a pleasure speaking to you.
Thanks, cheers. Appreciate it.
We have just finished those fantastic interviews, and I must say, it is always so insightful just hearing from these different cybersecurity professionals and the different businesses that come to these events. And it is always fantastic. Palo Alto Networks is truly doing a fantastic job in today's event. Now we have a couple more sessions to go, and then we are going to conclude with the networking session. So stay tuned because we have still a lot more exciting content to cover. Let's go. Wow, guys, all I can say is that was fantastic. We covered so many sessions today and so many different amazing interviews where we heard insights of so many different cybersecurity executives and professionals, and it was truly amazing. Now, we have concluded with the final session of the day, which is the networking session, and then it will be a wrap up of the event. So let's go and get networking. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the final session of the video today. It was amazing. We networked with so many different cybersecurity executives and professionals, and it has been a successful event by Palo Alto Networks Ignite on Tour in Sydney. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I did. Make sure you guys stay up to date and come to these cybersecurity events too, because you will learn lots and lots in the industry. Take lots of care, and thank you all for watching. Cybersecurity Con signing out.